Hey, and welcome to this, another one of the Tech Geeks performance reviews. Today we're going to have a performance review of this, which is the Ruijie RAP72. It is a wireless 7 access point, has a 2.4 gigabit a second Ethernet port, and it's what's called a BE3600. So theoretically, it can do a total of 3.6 gigabits a second. We'll probably see a maximum of 600 megasecond in the 2.4 gigahertz band because that's where it's limited at. The rest of that potentially is available in the 5 gigahertz band. It does support something called MLO, which allows your device, if it supports it, to join or jump between those frequencies and bond them, if you like, to get a better speed. So what are we going to do? We're going to do a test straight out of the box. Joined straight to a normal Ruijie control panel with no extra settings really set there. We're going to do this test at about 5 meters through a Besser brick concrete filled wall, and then again at about 10-12 meters through 3 concrete walls, and then 19 meters or so, 15 to 19 meters through a 4th concrete wall. And we're going to show you the results from all of those. We're then going to pop this back and we're going to optimize it. Normally when we optimize it, we check that this is not coexisting with other devices on the same wireless channel, and we're going to give it more channel width. In wireless 7, you can actually, in some of the frequencies, go up to 320 megahertz. We'll probably try this at 160 is probably the most likely where this will be. But the key here is that you can optimize the channel width and give it the maximum channel width you want for the frequency that you have. You just remember when you do that, your devices are not going to be able to go as far, but they will probably get faster speed. So we're going to give you the results there optimized as well. So you can see really ultimately the maximum performance on a decent mobile phone, and that's what we're testing on, you should be able to get. So let's head on and get going. So this first set of results is just out of the box, the performance you should be able to expect. We're using just an iPhone 16 Pro on this as our test bench. So it should give you an idea of what you get. Obviously, depending on your device, will depend on different speeds. All right, so hopefully that was useful. Now we're going to optimize this. Like we say, we're going to improve our channel width and make sure this is not conflicting with other access points in the area, and run those tests again. All right, so hopefully that gives you an idea of out the box and with a little bit of tuning, the type of performance you could probably expect off this Ruijie RAP72. Hey, why don't you head on over to our YouTube channel? We've got plenty more performance reviews. We've got box openings. We've got how-to guides, how to set up the Ruijie, how to get the best network performance out of it, for example, as well. So head on over there, subscribe, and stay up to date.